Welcome to another TRC Power Spotlight. As always, I want to remind you to please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And when you're watching this video, don't forget to like and leave any comments or questions you may have. We want to hear from you. So let's get started on this powerful Power Spotlight. Another incredible Power Spotlight from TRC Electronics. You know that the increasing demand for high-powered, high-quality power supplies is not going away anytime soon. And as the electronics market continues to innovate, so do the leading power supply manufacturers like Delta. Now, with over 40 years of design and manufacturing of power electronics equipment, Delta continues to provide amazing innovations to the electronics market, and we are so excited to unveil and introduce the latest innovation from Delta. This is the MEG-3K0A9 series. In this episode, we are going to demonstrate how the MEG-3K0A9 Delta modular power supply meets and exceeds the needs for both medical and industrial high-power product requirements. So let's get started here on amazing benefits and features of this modular power supply, and we're going to highlight the value it offers to you for your present and future high-power designs. This power supply is compact and powerful, providing a powerful high-power density of up to 27 watts per square inch. And it's also in an enclosed case, and we're illustrating for you here the mechanical dimensions. Now, this is just one example of the continuous innovation by the largest power supply manufacturer in the world, Delta. When you're looking for flexibility in a power supply, you don't have to worry here. This is going to be an ideal solution. This power supply can support up to 9 output modules. So these output modules are custom configured by your selection with our guidance, and they provide output power of up to a stunning 3,000 watts. So configurations range from single slot with a single output in each slot, or dual output voltage single slot, so you can have dual output in each slot. And they also offer triple slot modules that are going to have a single output. This way you get a little bit better cost per watt in your custom configuration. Now, the single slot modules can also be paralleled or configured in series for high power applications. This flexibility provides you with a multitude of configurations, and this is really great when you want to customize a specific voltage and power range to support your project. Let's take a look here at the power derating curve, where you'll notice that the operating temperature range is really nice from -20 degrees to +70 degrees. It also has some derating. It delivers full power up to 50 degrees, but pay attention to 50 to 70 degrees, and you can see here there's some output power derating. This power supply also accepts an AC input voltage of 90 volts AC to 264 volts AC. This enables it to be utilized in many different environments. Now, cooling is provided by 2 intelligent built-in fans, and they have speed control. This speed control not only prolongs the life of the fans, but it also reduces audible noise, so you have some control over that, and power consumption when those fans are really not necessarily needed. You also have the choice of either a terminal block for AC input connection or an IEC320 C22 AC inlet for an AC cord. These choices will provide you with greater flexibility with your AC input interface. Now, I also want to review here input power derating. So this power supply is input power derating. That means that in order to get the full power of 3,000 watts, we will need to connect this MEG-3K0A9 to the higher input voltage range, and we're showing you the derating here based on AC input range. Another important benefit that you are going to get from this product is adjustability. The output voltages are adjustable, and we can achieve 2 to 60 volts DC with different modules and configurations. This means that the MEG-3K0A9 supports a broad range of power requirements and voltage requirements for different types of equipment. This supply is so flexible, it's like getting a custom power supply off the shelf from a standard product, delivering to you in just a matter of days. Next, let's cover the communication. This is important because you want reliable signals for monitoring, configuring your power supply to achieve the highest efficiency during operation, especially at these higher power ranges. So the standard option for communication off the shelf is PM bus. But there's also some options as well available where you can get USB, RS-485, or RS-232 interfaces. The user-friendly GUI system easily enables you to monitor operating status and adjust the output voltage. With this functionality, you can adjust the output voltage, monitor input voltage and the fan speed, as well as ambient temperature. We just simply connect this power supply to your system through the selected ports, and then you can begin communicating with the power supply. This Delta power supply complies with safety regulations for both medical and industrial applications. This ensures the mechanical and electrical safety for your project's power needs. Delta intentionally designed this unit with medical applications in mind, taking into account the frequent interaction between the medical equipment and patients. This power supply is suitable for medical instruments such as surgical equipment, computer, tomography, and X-ray type machines. The MEG-3K0A9 complies with 2x MOPP, also UL 60601-1, and it has a low leakage current of less than 300 microamps, which is great because you have 9 output voltages and only have 300 microamps of leakage current, as opposed to 9 different output power supplies with a lot of leakage current. This unit also meets the latest 4th edition of the IEC 60601-1-2 EMI certification for medical equipment. Let's talk about support for industrial applications right now. The MEG-3K0A9 is ideal for numerous industrial power requirements such as high precision industrial laser machines, robotics, and semiconductor equipment, and so much more. Just picture that you can get a multiple output, a compact size, customizable solution that is compliant to UL 62368-1, IEC 62368-1, and meets the SEMI F47 standard, all with one product, basically off the shelf. The MEG-3K0A9 makes this all possible. Now it's time to explore the exceptional features of this product. Those features include LED indicators for both DC OK and AC OK status, built-in remote on-off, remote sense, and a 5-volt 2-amp auxiliary output. These features enable seamless system interfacing while boosting system capabilities. And finally, standard protections included are short circuit, overload, over voltage, and over temperature. Delta provides us the confidence that its power supplies demonstrate unparalleled reliability and durability through rigorous design and testing under some of the most challenging conditions. The MEG-3K0A9 certainly doesn't disappoint. In fact, Delta backs this product with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. If you'd like to learn more about this power supply, or if you're considering selecting this for one of your applications and need some help with the custom configuration, I highly recommend that you speak to one of our certified power specialists here at TRC Electronics, and you can reach them at 888-612-9514. We'll provide you with all the information you need and also give you the guidance that is needed to ensure that you're custom configuring the ideal power supply to make your project a success. We've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and leave our comments. And we're going to see you on the next TRC Power Spotlight.